Welcome back to Glad Makeover TV. How are you all doing? Hope you all are doing well. As for me, I'm doing great. Glory be to God. Is this video that you are looking now? This hair we are going to tie in this very video. Please, guys, if you know you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. This video we are going to hair we are going to be cutting it to two. It's 50-50. You see the way I just divide it. Now I'm creating my plate. Guys, you see the way I'm creating my plate. So if you are a beginner, please, this is how you get your plate very fast. This is the way you will know how to create your plate very fast. This is the easiest way to create plate. There's another way to create it, different method to create your plate, but this is the easiest way as for beginner. You understand me? Okay, now after you create your plate, what the next thing you need to do is for you to arrange it. Don't let the finishing can be in a hurry, but the starting like this, you must take your time to arrange it very well. Take your time to arrange your plate. Very important. This video, I just take my time to make sure that the plates were arranged. As in, I did not fast it, I did not speed it, just for you people to understand it very well how I arrange my plate. So please take your time to arrange your plate very well. Take your time to arrange it. It's very necessary. Please, guys, when you subscribe to my channel, ring the bell, that bell that you see there, just click it so that anytime I drop my latest video, you will see. Anytime I drop my latest video, YouTube will notify you. You understand? Okay, now I have created my plate. And I just take the one part and I keep the other side. You understand me? Now I'm still arranging the plate, which is very important. It's very important. Anything you are doing, make sure you arrange it very well. See the way I'm arranging my plate. See the way I'm arranging it. It's very important. Just take your time to arrange it. Take your time to arrange it. Please, guys, the way I said before, if you know you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. So I'm still going. I'm still arranging my plate. Still very important while you are tying your hair. Please, guys, if you need any other style that you want us to tie together, that just drop your comment at the comment section. We'll definitely come back and do it together, tie it together. You understand me? Please, guys, please like this video, subscribe, ring the bell. Any part that you don't understand, just send your message in your comment section. Okay, see the way this very place that I want to tie now, please just watch this place very well. You see the other side, this side that I arranged plate already, that is the side that will be on the top, because if you put that side down, you will not see the plate that you arrange. You see, that very part need to be at the top. So now we are doing the tying. See it? Okay. You see what I was trying to say, that plate need to be at the top. So now that is it. If you don't understand, please, I always say this, drop your comment at the comment section. We'll tie it with another type of hair tie. Maybe if this one, you think this one is too thick, maybe you think this one is too light, we'll use another type of hair tie to tie it again. So now it's still going. So you see it now. I just use the down one to cross it, so that will be the style. Thank you all very much. I appreciate everyone that always come to my YouTube channel to watch my video, and you subscribe. I say may God richly bless you all. So you see it the way I use it to cross it. I use it to cross it at the back. Use it to cross it. Now I'm creating another pleat at the top. This is how I get my pleat. This is how I get it. If you are ready, if you are ready to learn something, it's very easy. Just watch the video 2 times, 3 times. Definitely you'll get it. If you don't get it, just drop your comment the way I say it before. Drop your comment and we'll definitely come back to it. Thank you very much. I love you all. If you like the video, please share my video out. God bless you. Bye-bye. Please just relax your back and watch the video carefully.
Find the real me. So let's go, seize the feeling. 'Cause it's time for the meaning. Now we show we're coming to win it. Find the real me. So let's go, seize the feeling. 'Cause it's time for the meaning. Now we show we're coming to win it.